What you doing in here, goaty goats? Not your barn yet. Hi, goaty goats. Came outside to hang with the goats for a minute before I go work some more in the barn. You guys don't know their names yet, so let me properly introduce you to the goats. This is Hope. She's like my little buddy. She likes to be pet. She actually comes up to me because she wants attention. She's the really friendly one. This dark brown one here is Liberty. Hi, Liberty. Hi, sweetie. Yes. She's a real sweetheart, too. Hi, Liberty. You're such a sweetheart. Show the camera your pretty face. This one's Betsy. She doesn't quite trust us yet. She's working on it, but she's the one that had the scare with the electric fence when we first brought her home. So we've been working with her, trying to get her a little bit more friendly. Little by little, she's getting there. She'll let me scratch her head once in a while. I can pet her when she's eating goat feed, but that's about it. She really won't let me touch her that much yet. This little guy here is Butch. Hi, Butch. How you doing? How you doing, sweetie? Come here. Oh, yes. Hi, Butch. Look at you. Can't believe how gross this is.
How about this?
You fool! I can't see damn words right now. Scared the dogs.
Go, Gabby. Go. Go.
That was mean because I was going to do that to you. I like that one because it's old looking, even though I know it's probably not. And I like that little one.
Oh, this little one's awesome.
Yeah.
We got to keep those for when our power goes out.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. We don't have to rely on the power grid.
Well, our power.
Oh. bottom's in a little bit more. I think I'll take the top end another turn. And we'll see what happens. There we go. Still looks like it's hanging out a little bit. That's okay. I'm not going to freaking worry about it.
Point of no return.
What is that, ghost? Look. Sassy cat. Come here, Sassy. Sassy. Go! Sassy. Come here, Sassy. Sassy cat. Come here, Sassy.
Come on, Sassy.
Come here, Sassy. Come on, Sassy cat.
There you
Yeah,
go.
good job, creepy cat.
All right, you can see from the footage in the beginning of this video that we got quite a bit more work done. Removed all the garbage, and I completely vacuumed it out, even the walls, because there were like cobwebs and stuff all over. You can't tell now because we've been doing construction, and so we have some stuff laying around again, but we're almost done. Thank goodness, we're almost done. I want to get these goats moved in. So I want to show you what we've done and what I plan on doing today, and hopefully the last steps that we need to do to get these goats moved in. So here we go. So we put up a gate. And then from the gate to this wall here behind the door, we need to build like a half wall to keep the goaty goats out of this side here. We're also moving the kitty cats out here. I just don't want them in the cabin anymore. They need to be barn cats. They need to live out here and start earning their keep and killing these mice that are in this barn. Yeah, because there's still quite a bit. All right, so let me show you the kitty bedroom. We are utilizing this bottom shelf here, and we completely lined it with 2-inch rigid foam insulation. There's 3 kitty beds in there, and we cut little notches out so they can get in and out. I just took the one piece down because I wanted them to be able to find their bed so they knew where they were at, and then I can put that piece back up. It's not too cold right now, so they should be fine. What you think, Sassy? Hey, Sassy. Sassy. Hi, Sassy. Hi, Sassy girl. He is Sassy. So they're not very happy about not being able to come in the cabin right now, but they'll get used to it. I know they will. They're tough little monsters. Today, I want to staple some chicken wire up on this little pole here, going down where Sassy is standing, so the goaty goats can't jump up there and get into whatever they want to get into. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then we started laying more plywood over the floor. And the reason why we need to lay plywood over the existing floor is because there's some very scary spots where you step on seams or corners. There's 4 pieces right here meeting together and you step on it and it's just real soft and squishy. This one's really bad. See if you can see that. So yeah, walking on this floor can be scary. So that's why we're laying more plywood down. We're hoping to overlap those seams and make it a little bit stronger. Oh my goodness. So I thought we were gonna be done after laying this plywood over the top and yay, I can move the goats in. Well, that's not gonna happen because I didn't think about the goats being in here, especially during the winter. They're gonna spend a lot of time in here because they're not gonna wanna be outside in the really cold and the snow, and they're gonna be urinating all over. So how do we protect the floor from floor rot? Yeah, so did some Google search and a lot of people do not have wood floors. So read some people, they were suggesting like for their horses and stuff, they use those garage mats, horse mats, the ones that like you piece together. I don't know, what are they called? Cubes? Something, I don't remember. Anyway, and I like that idea, but then I don't like that idea because then you have seams and urine, liquid is going to find its way to those seams and then it's going to get underneath and you're not going to know it and you're going to have floor rot. So we went to Home Depot to look at linoleum. And they have 105 mil utility vinyl, I think is what it was called. So it's pretty thick stuff and it's 12 feet wide, and which would be perfect because we don't have to do the whole floor because they're not going to have access to the whole area, just their stalls. Oh, you'll see when we get the stalls up, but we're just going to do what we can do to get through this winter, but we got to lay down that vinyl, utility vinyl that we found. So, and it's a little pricey, but that's okay because we don't want a temporary solution. We want this to be as permanent as possible. So what do you think about that for the floor? Really, we don't have any way around it unless we go back to the original plan of tearing down the scary cabin and building something, which it's definitely too late for that this year. So I would rather try to salvage this and make it permanent, and this is the barn, and not have to worry about it in the future. So fingers crossed that works. Got that. Staple gun. What'd you do with the staple gun? Oh, there it is. Okay. What's up, Gabby? So I have never claimed that I know what I'm doing. I definitely don't know what I'm doing. I think that'll be fine. I'm not worried about stretching it out really tight because we're not keeping... It's just so they can't jump up on the bar thingy here and get over. Ugh. You guys. Stop. Goodness, oh Goose, I know, Goose. Yes, Goose, I know. Okay, let me get to work. Okay, you guys need to move, because when this falls, it's gonna go on your heads. Move. Gabby, move. Gabby, move. Good girl. Raining. Uh-oh, we out. Yep. Out of staples. What do you think? Not bad? I think it's starting to look like a barn in here. So, yay, that part's done. Got to build that half wall, finish laying the plywood on the floor, linoleum, and then we can move the goats in. Oh, yeah. So, so hopefully the next time you see us, the goaty goats will be in here. All that stuff will be done. I love you too, Goose. And, yeah, I'm excited. We love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goose, say hi. You can't. You're holding on to Mama. Oh, okay. See you guys on the next video. Bye.